everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC. I hope everybody's doing great. I have a Pandora unboxing. Let's check it out. Alright. They gave me a bag, so that's pretty nice. And they even gave me tissue paper. Bonus! Alright. So they gave me some tissue paper. Now when you go into Pandora, they ask you if you want a bag. I'm waiting for them to ask, do you want a box? So we'll see, right? But they do give you the receipt. So here's the receipt. There you go. All right. This is the Disney 100 that I'm collecting. And this is number 6 in the series. So if you are collecting these, make sure you get this sleeve for the top of your box, because that's part of the Disney 100. Because sometimes they forget to put this on, then you have to go back to the store and get one, and they don't always have them apparently. So I don't know. But anyway, so make sure you get that. And another thing too, make sure that you get the authenticity card. I just found out about that today. So it looks like this. All right, and then it gives you all the details of your Disney 100 charm. And these are hard copies that you get at the store when you purchase your charm. Okay? So make sure you get that. I didn't know about that. I thought they emailed that to you, but it's a hard copy. All right. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what I got for July. All right, let's see here. All right, and I'll make sure to leave a picture because these are very hard to see. This is Baloo from Jungle Book, the bear. And it has, he's holding the Pandora Diamond in his paw, and part of his body has the 14 karat. So let's see here if I can get it out of the box. And sometimes they skip a month too, so maybe August won't have anything, but we'll see. All right, so here's Baloo. And see, the paw has the Pandora Diamond, and then the body has the 14 karat gold, and then the silver is the rest. All right, so that is my unboxing of my Pandora Disney 100 charm for the month of July. So the next one is supposed to be Simba, apparently. So we'll see if that's really true or not, because that's the rumor. Because every month is a new character and we don't really know what it is. But, you know, on the internet, speculation, all that fun stuff, then it's supposed to be Simba, but who knows. All right, well, I hope everybody's having a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe and share and all that fun stuff. Till next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.